In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code a drop-down list for an entire row in Google Sheets. This is a handy tool, especially if you're someone who wants to visually distinguish different tasks, statuses, or categories in your spreadsheet. Using color codes helps in quickly identifying the progress of a project or task and makes your data more visually appealing. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open the Google Sheet where you want to set up your drop-down list and color coding. If you don't have a specific sheet in mind, you can easily create a new one by navigating to Google Sheets and selecting Blank Sheet. Once your sheet is open, head over to the top menu and click on Data. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to data management. From this menu, look for and click on Data Validation. This is a crucial step as it sets up the framework for your drop-down list. After clicking on Data Validation, you'll find the option to Add Rule. Click on it to start creating rules for your drop-down list. Initially, you need to type in the different options you want to appear in your list. For this example, let's use In Progress for option 1 and Completed for option 2. These options will serve as the drop-down choices for each task or row in your spreadsheet. Next, you want to associate specific colors with these options. For In Progress, select a yellow color, and for Completed, choose a green color. Using colors helps in instantly recognizing the status of a task, with yellow reminding you that it's ongoing and green indicating completion. To make things even more visually intuitive, click on Advanced Options and select the display style as Arrow. This adds a graphic that can be helpful in quickly understanding the current status at a glance. Once done, click on Done to save these settings and exit the Data Validation menu. Now, to apply these color codes across a whole row, click on Format from the top menu and choose Conditional Formatting. This option will allow you to set rules based on the values present in your drop-down list. In the Apply to Range text box, type in the column range where you want these settings to apply, for example, from column C2 to column A. Now, click on Custom Formula Is to establish a formula-based rule. In this scenario, you want to type the formula as C2 in progress to make sure the conditional format applies whenever the In Progress option is selected. Once your formula is set, click on Done to apply the changes. Now, anytime you select In Progress under Status, the entire row should be color-coded according to the rules you've set. This ensures the entire line reflects the task's status visually, making it easier for you and your collaborators to keep track of tasks at a glance. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a color-coded drop-down list for your whole row in Google Sheets. Tune in next time for more tips like these to keep your digital workspace organized and efficient.